This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook pumpkin and chicken Guyanese style. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 1.5 pounds of chicken, 1 pound of pumpkin, and aromatics like a large onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and a hot pepper. Don't forget fresh thyme, 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, and 1 teaspoon of Guyanese 5-spice powder to bring out those authentic flavors. Salt and pepper will be added to your preference. Now, let's get our chicken ready. Take your washed and cut chicken pieces and season them generously. Combine half of your chopped onion, all the minced garlic, a good pinch of salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Mix in half of the Guyanese 5-spice powder and a few sprigs of fresh thyme. Let this marinate for at least 30 minutes, or even better, for a few hours in the refrigerator to really infuse those delicious flavors. Time to start cooking. Heat 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add the remaining chopped onion and your hot pepper, sautéing them until they become fragrant, which usually takes about 2 minutes. Now, add your marinated chicken to the pot and brown it for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally. Finally, stir in the diced pumpkin and the rest of the Guyanese 5-spice powder, then add 1 cup of water. Once everything is in the pot, bring the mixture to a boil. Then, reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and let it simmer for 20 to 25 minutes. Remember to stir occasionally to prevent sticking and ensure the pumpkin becomes tender and the chicken is thoroughly cooked. Taste and adjust the seasoning with more salt and pepper if you like. Serve your flavorful Guyanese pumpkin and chicken hot with rice, roti, or dihal puri for a complete meal. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.